Okay, so before I start the project, I would just like to say it would be great if you could like and subscribe. It would be super helpful. So today we're going to be making a butter-scented candle. So you take a wide nail, large nail, and you stick it into that butter. And then you just pull it out, maybe put it in stick it back in a couple of times, and then let it widen a little bit. It'll help get the wick in better, which is going to be our paper towel. Now take some paper towel and just start to roll it up. You have to take about half a leaf, maybe a little bit, a quarter of a leaf, and then twist it up, roll it up as best you can. The tighter, the longer it will probably burn. Make sure you have a thicker kind of paper towel. That will be super helpful because it will soak up the melted butter a lot better. And the butter is going to be our fuel. So just roll up that paper towel like so. You want to make sure the ends are tight. That's very important. And then stick it into the butter. Rub it on the butter first. It will help soak it up. Maybe even let it make it go in easier. I don't know why it would do that, but just go with it, people. Just go with it, people. Then take your nail and just sort of, using your nail, not your fingernail, obviously, but your metal hardware nail, yeah, and just stick that paper towel in there. The paper towel is going to serve as our wick, and the butter is going to be our fuel. And there you go, you're basically done. That's basically it. You have a butter candle. Now we're going to try to light it up. Okay, so just make sure you twist it. Make sure you twist the ends. Take a lighter, just maybe try and light it a few times before to get that butter melted. And then now it should light pretty easily. And it's considerably wind resistant. And it makes your whole room smell like butter. It smells great, actually. It smells surprisingly good. You would not expect this. And I hate the smell of cold butter, but melted butter smells really, really good. So yeah, that's basically it. And here's another shot of it.